This bird looks cute. But who would have thought? It turns out he is a very cruel predatory bird. It's a seagull. Seabirds that like to eat carrion and also hunt small animals brutally. In this video, I will invite you to witness the moment when the seagulls hunt prey brutally. Seagulls versus monkeys. A seagull made a commotion throughout the forest because he terrorized a herd of monkeys. He was after one, a baby monkey that looks very delicious. Finally, he succeeded in kidnapping one of the monkey children and swallow it alive. Truly extraordinary. Seagulls versus snakes. Almost all types of animals are eaten by seagulls. This time he tried to eat a snake. And the same as usual. The snake was swallowed raw. In just one breath. Wow, really amazing. Seagulls versus rabbits. Look how crazy these seagulls are. He is able to swallow a large rabbit. Lively. What do seagulls do? This is completely beyond reason. Because if you look at it at a glance, the beak is not that big to swallow a rabbit whole. Seagulls versus fish. Again and again. I was surprised by this one bird. This time he succeeded. Swallowed a large fish. Just one breath. Seagulls versus squirrels. This time, it's the seagull's turn to hunt the squirrel. Had happened. A fierce fight because of one of his squirrel friends. Try to help him. But the seagulls easily overcome it. And take a look. How do these seagulls devour their prey? Again and again. Really unexpected. Seagulls versus pigeons. This seagull mercilessly trying to prey on fellow birds, namely pigeons. He paraded the pigeons to the most comfortable place to get skin. We see a pigeon giving. The child eats. But what can I do? A seagull came. Without thinking long, the mother pigeon left and sacrificed his son. Well, it's easy for seagulls. Kidnapped the helpless pigeon chick.